Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ASNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. But after today's very nice movement, some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just adjust this level up. Yes, 26 cents does still pertain to the chart. It's just not relevant right now, and from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So like I said, I'm going to try to keep this as clean as possible. So yes, that level pertains, but want to move it up here to this area, which I would call an ideal level of support going forward, up at 28.5 cents. What do I mean by ideal? Well, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be, well, ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above 28.5, that would be a massive sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price does fall below 28.5, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 28.5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the party finally stopped today right up there at 31 cents. So 31 cents initial level of resistance going into Friday. If the price can push up through 31 cents, the next key overall level to keep an eye on is up there at, that makes it easy, 33 cents. So 31, 33, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, there's no doubt about it. Great movement today and great movement also yesterday. So 2 great days in a row. Not just still the question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.